I'm Jason Lindenmuth with Drillmax and Geoprobe service. Occasionally, after you've tightened, adjusted your swivel packing enough times, it will be to the point where you need to replace it. And today we're going to talk about doing that. First, we're going to take the bolts out that hold the half sets to the adjusting nut and completely remove them. Then we're going to go up to the top. We're going to remove the clamp that holds the pipe to the support. After your half sets are removed from your packing nut, we're going to take a strap and we're going to put it on the pipe here. At this point, you'll need a helper to run your winch for you. Come on down. From there, we're going to remove the nuts on the clamp and remove the clamps. Down just a little. There we go. You can leave this piece on there. After this, we'll go back down and we'll remove our swivel packing. You may have to raise your piping up a little bit to get out of your way. At this point, you'll need this wrench, which you can buy at Geoprobe Drillmax. And you'll simply remove the nut. Once you have the nut removed, you'll be able to see your packing, your top packing. You'll need a little screwdriver to remove it. Once you've got it removed, set the nut aside. Then you'll come to your spacer. It just pops out. You can set it aside, and then your lower swivel packing is right here. You may need a screwdriver to remove it as well. Once it's out, you set it aside, and then you're ready for your new parts to go in. This is a standard black packing. It's designed for mud rotary. We also have red colored packing designed for air rotary that handles the heat better. Once you've got your new packing, just want to take a little bit of grease and just rub it all over it and get it all slimed up. At that point, you're ready to insert it into the nut. Install your lower packing. Repeat the process with your upper packing. And install it into your nut. Then install your spacer and reinstall your nut. We take our adjustment wrench. As you're tightening this up, you just want it to be snug, and you want to make sure that you put your offset holes where you can get to them with a wrench. Once you've got your nut snugged up, then we'll put on the first half set just with the bolts started. At this point, we'll have somebody help us lower this back into position. Okay, go ahead. Get a little more. Hold it. It's important to note that there's an O-ring in the bottom of that flange. You need to make sure that it stays in place or you replace it. At this point, we'll go back up and reattach our clamp at the top. Once we have our clamp snugged up, at this point we can remove the strap. Now all that's left to do is to go finish tightening our half sets. At this point, you're ready to go back to drilling. At this time, if you start drilling and you still have a little bit of a leak, or you have a leak here after replacement, you may have to take these back loose and tighten this up a little more until it stops. If you have any questions on this procedure or any other procedure on a DrillMax DM250, please contact DrillMax and Geoprobe service.